Happy birthday. Magbati tayo.
Magbati tayo.
Isa-isa.
Isa-isa. Hello, Pastor. Happy birthday. And Merry Christmas. No.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy birthday, Pastor. More birthdays to come. Hello. Happy birthday, Pastor. More birthday to come. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Happy Happy birthday. We have many food here. There's a cake for you. And may God bless you for more birthdays to come. Bless you. We have adobo, we have pasta, we have pinakbet, we have bilo-bilo.
Everything.
Yeah, we have all here, the food that you like best. But sorry, you are not here.
Ano yun natin?
Happy birthday, Pastor. We miss you, we love you. Come and eat with us.
Takbet! Takbet, ano ba?
Sino nagluto ng
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Brandon Santiago James Jaime.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We have a lot of food here. We have more birthdays to come, and maybe next time your birthday, you come and join us.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers. Look at these ladies how they eat.
Yes. We are sure if you are here,
Please,
then
adobo.
here's your favorite, your adobo. Have a taste.
Okay. Happy birthday.